how to buy domain and WEBITECH hosting services. Open your browser and navigate to the website. Begin by selecting the type of web hosting that you are interested in. Now choose the package that aligns with your requirements and budget. After that, click on the Buy Now button to proceed with your purchase. If you wish to register a new domain name, you can do so by selecting the Register a New Domain option provided. Alternatively, if you want to transfer a domain from another registrar, select that option and enter the domain name before clicking on the Transfer button. In case you prefer to use an existing domain, select the last option and update your domain name servers. Enter your opted domain name, choose your preferred extension, and then click on the Check button. After selecting your domain name, click on Continue. Also configure all of the necessary options available in your chosen domain package. SSL is included in our web hosting package. If you want to add SSL of your choice, select Desired SSL plan. Click on Continue once all of these options have been selected. Next, confirm your choices for DNS management and email forwarding before proceeding to the checkout page. If you require ID protection, there will be additional charges. Click on Continue. If you haven't registered your account on the WEBITECH client portal, you will need to fill in the required information to complete the registration. However, if you already have a registered account, click on Already Registered. Enter your login details, your email address and password, then click on Login to access your account. Select the payment method that suits you best and enter your payment details accordingly. If you opt for credit card or PayPal as your payment method, you will receive confirmation of your domain activation shortly. Alternatively, if you choose direct bank transfer, you will receive an unpaid invoice. Once you have selected your payment method, read and agree to the terms and services of WEBITECH Limited. Click on Complete Order. Finally, download your unpaid invoice as needed. After making the payment, kindly share your paid invoice with us by emailing it to billing@webitech.com. Once we receive it, we will activate your order.